Welcome to Standing Deer. Um, I don't know if you have ever gotten any problem when you downloaded some softwares and there was some kind of Chrome hijackers or some viruses that just um, gets into your Chrome browser and suddenly shows this type of results um, without any reason whenever you just search on Google. I found it on internet that it's kind of like a virus that um, unintentionally just installs the extension in your extension page and really just redirects you to this nearbyme.io website, which is not good and it's not very user friendly and doesn't feel good. So I have found a solution to just remove it. Uh, so what you have to do is check in your control panel or apps, like if you can go to the Windows, sorry my PC is not that fast, you can go to the Windows icon and go to the settings, and you can go to the apps, and in the apps and features you can search for any kind of like apps you don't know you have installed. You can search there. If you find something like a very unusual name, something that you didn't know about before, uninstall it, because that's the culprit maybe. But if you don't find anything like me, you can go to the extension settings. It's the same in Chrome and also the same in Brave. So Brave is like kind of a duplicate of Chrome. It's based on Chromium, which is Chrome based on. So it's the same thing. So you can go to the extension tab, and you can see I have a lot of extension just installed. But can you see one extension that's really not that friendly to us? It's not something that we see every day. So that's the culprit, and you should just toggle it down so that it doesn't download it again, and you should remove it. After removing it, just close all the browser tabs and reopen the browser and search any Google search, like why Google is best, and see there's no nearby me search is going on, because the extension which was the culprit we have ended its operation. So by this you can just solve this problem, and I get into this problem, so it was really personal to me. Thank you very much. If you have gained some value from this, don't forget to like, share, and if you have any question, please comment down below. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.